Have you ever wondered how we produce electricity using nuclear energy? It all starts with a process called nuclear fission, which is a fascinating and powerful way of generating power. In this video, we'll dive into the science of nuclear fission and how it's used to produce electricity. At the heart of nuclear energy is the process of nuclear fission. Nuclear fission occurs when the nucleus of an atom is split into two or more smaller nuclei, releasing a tremendous amount of energy. In order to harness this energy, we need to create the right conditions for nuclear fission to occur. That's where a nuclear reactor comes in. A nuclear reactor is a carefully designed and controlled environment that allows us to initiate and sustain nuclear fission. The reactor is typically filled with uranium fuel rods, which contain a high concentration of uranium-235, an isotope of uranium that is highly susceptible to fission. When a neutron collides with a uranium-235 atom, it causes the atom to split into two smaller atoms, releasing more neutrons and a significant amount of energy. These neutrons can then go on to collide with other uranium-235 atoms, setting off a chain reaction that produces even more energy. To harness this energy, we use the heat generated by nuclear fission to create steam. This steam is then used to turn a turbine, which powers a generator that produces electricity. It's a simple concept, but the engineering required to build and maintain a nuclear power plant is incredibly complex and requires constant attention and monitoring. While nuclear energy has many advantages, including its ability to produce large amounts of electricity with relatively few greenhouse gas emissions, it also comes with significant challenges. One of the biggest challenges is the safe disposal of radioactive waste, which can remain hazardous for thousands of years. Additionally, there is always a risk of accidents or meltdowns, which can have catastrophic consequences. In conclusion, nuclear energy is a fascinating and complex way of generating electricity that relies on the process of nuclear fission. While there are many challenges associated with nuclear energy, it has the potential to play a crucial role in meeting our energy needs in the future. It's up to us to ensure that nuclear power plants are built and operated safely, and that we continue to research and invest in alternative sources of energy to supplement our growing energy demands. What are your thoughts on the future of nuclear energy?